Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change ringtones with on music on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, learning how to change ringtones to your own music allows you to personalize your device and make it reflect your taste and style. Instead of using default ringtones, you can choose songs that resonate with you, making incoming calls more enjoyable to hear. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, select sound and vibration. And then choose ringtone menu. Okay, and click plus icon at the corner. Then select the music. So, click down here. Okay, next you can select the music you have added as your device ringtone. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change ringtones with own music on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.